A very good evening to everyone. How are you? I hope you all will be very much fit and fine. And today we will do chapter number 7, and chapter number 7 is Riki Tiki Tavi. Yes, it's not a different name, it's only a single name. And this chapter is by Joseph Rudyard Kipling. So here is the picture. Now we will do the introduction of the author. So he was born in December 30, 1865 in Mumbai, and he died in January 18, 1936 at the age of 70. He is also known as an English journalist, short story writer, poet, and novelist. First, we will do the introduction of the characters. First, there is Mongoose. Mongoose, it's a Nevla. Then there is a Teddy. He is a small boy. Mother and father. You will read about the name of the father as a big man also. Then there is a Chuchundr, a muskrat, tailor bird, name of the bird. Then most important character Nag and Nagina. Nag and Nagina, they both are snake. Nag male snake, Nagina female snake, cobra. Then there is a minor character Carrot. It is also a snake, brown snake. So how the story start? Once there was a mongoose and he got separated from his family. So Teddy brought mongoose at his house. Initially his parents were not happy with his decision, but they think that because mongoose is known as snake killer, and the house where in which they were living, there were many snakes around the house, so they thought that it will be a good idea to keep mongoose at the home. So one day mongoose was roaming here and there in the garden, and he met with tailor bird, and tailor bird was very sad. So tailor bird told mongoose that there is a snake whose name is Nag, who killed my baby and ran away from there. When they were talking, what Tailor Bird and Mongoose noticed, there was a very huge snake behind the mongoose, and it was a Nag. So Nag started to afraid, because snake get afraid from the mongoose, but it was very huge. Mongoose was not living with his family, so initially he also get afraid from the Nag. And in the meantime, when he was talking to Nagina, it also came behind the mongoose. So Tailor Bird alerted the mongoose that Nagina is also behind you. So Nag and Nagina, in the meantime, both they went from there. And Teddy, that a small boy, he came there and he asked Mongoose that what are you doing here? When Mongoose and Teddy were talking to each other, a brown color snake parrot came, and Mongoose killed the carrot at once. So Teddy became very happy that Mongoose saved my life. So Mongoose and Teddy went back to home, and Teddy told the incident about Carrot to his parents. Parents became very happy with Mongoose. So at the night, everybody got sleep. Everybody went to sleep, and but it was a night time. So Mongoose thought that it is a good idea to capture Nag and Nagina. So when he went into the garden, he met with Chuchundra, a muskrat. That Chuchundra told him about Nag and Nagina. And when they were talking, he heard that Mongoose heard that Nag and Nagina entered into the washroom of Teddy with sluice. So there was a hole in the wall. From that, they entered into the washroom of the Teddy, and Nag coiled itself around the jar of the water. So mongoose could not wait for the morning. Nag and Nagina actually they were planning that they will kill Big Man, his wife, and Teddy. So bungalow will be emptied. There will be no one. So Nag and Nagina with their babies will be able to live in the bungalow. So mongoose heard their plan that okay they were planning about this thing. So what he did, he captured the Nag with its head, and in no time a big man came with a gun and shot the Nag. So Nag was killed at the same time. So parents were very happy that again Mongo saved our lives. But so now all birds and animals were very happy that Nag has been killed. Taylor Bird was enjoying and celebrating and was telling Mongoose that Nag was killed. Mongoose said that I knew that Nag was killed. Yes, it has been killed by me and a big man. So now next plan was to kill Nagina. So he asked help from Taylor Bird that you will distract the Nagina and I will kill all the eggs of Nagina because that all the eggs will convert into big snakes one day. So it is better to kill all the eggs. So Taylor Bird distracted the Nagina and she left her eggs all alone. And but Mongoose did, he destroyed all the eggs of Nagina. But Nagina started his journey towards Teddy's house, and she entered the house and everybody was having breakfast. So Nagina threatened Mongoose that I will kill everyone because they have killed my Nag. But Mongoose has an egg of Nagina in its mouth, so he called Nagina to come behind me, and she started to run after Mongoose. So there was a rat hole in which Nagina entered. Mongoose also entered along with the Nagina. Taylor Bird was observing everything. Taylor Bird thought that now Mongoose will not be able to save, but after few minutes Mongoose came alive. So now Mongoose told Taylor Bird that there will be no Nagina now because I have killed her also. So now he is a small animal Mongoose. He killed Nag, Nagina, and Carrot and saved everyone from deadly snakes. So this was the very short story. Thank you so much and have a nice day.